Hi viewers, now you are watching 9th class mathematics from Chanakya School. In this video, I am going to explain about exercise 2.2. So, generally, what is our process? I will explain and you have to do by your own, right? This is exercise 2.2 also very simple exercise. Once, the only thing is you should be able to understand the concept zeros of a polynomial. If you are able to understand this, you can solve any problem from that exercise. Okay, so listen carefully dears. Zeros of a polynomial. See, for example, I have expression x square plus 5x plus 4. So, if we have expression, if I ask you to, if x is equals to 1, what is the value? What is the value? What we are doing to find out the value? We used to substitute 1 in each and every place of x. So, x square plus 5x plus 4. The first term is x square. So, you place 1 whole square plus 5 into x plus 4. 1 square means 1. 5 into 1, 5 plus 4. What is the total? 10. So, the value is 10. You know this, right? We already learned this. Next, if x is equals to 4, for example, what is the value? X square plus 5x plus 4. So, we have to substitute 4 in x places. Plus 5 into 4 plus 4. 4 square means 16. 5 4s are 20 plus 4. Total 40. So, whenever the x value is changing, the value is changing, right? Man, what is the concept? What you are explaining? You may get doubt. I am coming to the same point. So, ఇక్కడ value change అవుతుంది every time. X value change అయినప్పుడు. అయితే value 0 వస్తే, if the result is 0, then we call it as a zero of the polynomial. Same expression. If x is equals to minus 1, let us substitute x square plus 5x plus 4. So, x square means minus 1 whole square plus 5 into minus 1 plus 4. Minus 1 square means plus 1. Minus into minus plus no. Here plus into minus minus. 5 into 1 5 plus 4. 1 plus 4. 5 minus 5 0. So, ఇప్పుడు మనకి answer 0 వస్తుంది. Now you got the answer 0. Whenever you get the answer 0, then we call it as a zero of the polynomial. Minus 1 is the zero of this polynomial. ఇప్పుడు కదా మనకి answer 0 వచ్చింది. Before, how many values you substitute, you didn't get 0. But whenever you substitute a minus 1, you got the value as 0. Then only we call it as 0 of polynomial. Just like 8th class, 7th class which you studied, the same thing. Just substituting some value into that and you get some result. The same thing, they just gave one name to that. Answer 0 is to we call it as a 0 of polynomial. That's it. But there is a small difference. What is that? Is previously they used to give us if x is equal to 1, if x is equal to 4, if x is equal to minus 1. How they give p of x is equals to x square plus 5x plus 4. Instead of giving if x is equals to minus 1, they may give like this. P of 1 is equals to how much? P of 4 is equals to how much? So, if they mention one value inside the braces, you have to substitute that value in that. That's it. Okay? Let us go to the exercise. Exercise 2.2, first one. Find the value of the polynomial 4x square minus 5x plus 3 when first one x is equals to 0. So, they have given only one expression and 4 different values. We have to substitute each and every value and we have to find out the value. First one is when x is equals to 0. into 0 plus 3. 0 square means 0. 0 into anything? 0. Minus 5 into 0. 0 plus 3. What is the final answer? Final answer is 3. Same. Let me explain the fourth one. X is equals to 1 by 2. X is equals to 1 by 2. Remaining problems do in the HW. 4x square minus 5x plus 3. 4 into x value. 1 by 2 whole square minus 5 into 1 by 2 plus 3. 1 square means 1. 2 square means 4. Minus 5 into 2. 5 by 2 plus 3. 4 gets cancelled. 1 minus 5 by 2 plus 3. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 minus 5 by 2. So, Nana, this is a rational number and this is a normal number. What you have to do? You have to take LCM. What is the LCM of 1 and 2? 2. 4 2s are 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is 3 by 2 is the answer. Okay. Same way do the remaining two problems. Next. Find P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2 for each of the following polynomials. First problem ఏమి ఇచ్చారు? వాళ్ళ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఇచ్చి ఒక ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఇచ్చి డిఫరెంట్ వాల్యూస్ ఇచ్చారు. ఈ ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటి? ముందే డిఫరెంట్ వాల్యూస్ ఇచ్చారు, డిఫరెంట్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్ ఇచ్చారు. టేక్ ద ఫస్ట్ వన్. P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2 we have to find out. The first expression is P of x is equals to x square minus x plus 1. So in this expression, first you have to find out P of 0 means 0 square minus 0 plus 1. Answer is 1. Next you have to substitute P of 1. 1 square minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. Answer is 1. Next, P of 2. 2 square minus 2 plus 1. 4 minus 2 plus 1. 5 minus 2. Answer is 3. Simple. Same way, do the remaining all. We can do it. Simple only. Next. Third one, verify whether the value of x given in each of the cases are zeros of the polynomial or not. So they have given one expression and one x value. Every time you have to substitute the value. If you get the 0, you have to write s. The value x is equals to some particular value is the 0 of the polynomial. Let me explain. This is the problem. They have given this expression 2x plus 1. When we substitute the value x as minus 2, if we get 0, then minus 1 by 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. Otherwise, it's not. Let us check. P of minus 1 by 2 is equals to 2 into minus 1 by 2 plus 1. 2 cancel. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1 plus 1. So, answer 0. So, we call it as S. X is equals to minus 1 by 2 is the 0 of polynomial. Understand? In the same way, let me explain the second one also. P of x is equals to 5x minus pi. And what is the x value they have mentioned? Minus 3 by 2. So substitute same. P of minus 3 by 2 is equals to 5 into minus 3 by 2 minus. What is 5? 22 by 7. 5 into 50, sorry 5 into 3 minus 15 divided by 2 minus 22 by 2. See, even if you take LCM and do the cancellation, okay, whatever you do, you will not get 0, no. So what? Stop it here and write no. X is equals to minus 3 by 2 is not 0 of polynomial. That's it, simple. Like this, do the remaining all in the HW. Fourth one. Find the 0 of the polynomial in each of the following cases. Still now they have given some values and they ask us to find the final value, and one more thing, they asked which is the whether it is 0 of the polynomial or not. What they are asking now, they have given the expression. Expression ఇచ్చేసారు. ఇంతకు ముందు అంతా ఏమి ఇచ్చారు నాన్న? కొన్ని నెంబర్స్ ఇచ్చి వాటిని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే మనకి 0 వస్తుందా రాదా, 0 వస్తే అది 0 ఆఫ్ ద పాలినామిల్ అవునా కాదా, ఇలా రకరకాలుగా చెక్ చేసాం. ఇప్పుడేమంటున్నాడు, వాళ్ళకి ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఇచ్చి మనమే వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్. ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి? ఏ నెంబర్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే మనకి 0 వస్తుంది అని. ఏ నెంబర్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే 0 వస్తుంది అనేది వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్. ఓకే, సో copy the fourth one. First problem. F of x is equals to x by 2. So which value we substitute here? Then we will get 0. X value ఏమైతే మనకి 0 వస్తుంది. To find out that, first x plus 2, you equal this to 0, and here x is adding with 2. If 2 goes on that side, negative, right? 0 minus 2 is minus 2. So if x value is minus 2, then we get. If right or not, check it here. Place this value here. Minus 2 plus 2. 0 వచ్చిందా? So x value is minus 2. Then I look at the fifth one. F of x is equals to x square. Okay, fifth one. So x square is equals to 0. Square at one time అవుతుంది, square root of 0. Square root of 0 is 0 only, no? So the value itself is 0. ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వచ్చినప్పుడు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వద్దు. మనకి ఆన్సర్ తప్పు వచ్చింది ఏమో అనుకోండి. ఓకే, దట్ ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ itself 0. Next, look at the seventh one. F of x is equals to px plus q. Here they didn't mention constants. Here they mentioned as p and q. So what? We can do anything, no? Here q is adding. If q goes on the right hand side, it will become minus q. 0 minus anything, we will get the same one, no? So minus q. X is equals, p is multiplying here. If it goes on right hand side, division, minus q by 2. Okay, next, copy the fifth one. Remaining problems doing the HW. If 2 is the 0 of the polynomial, p of x is equal to 2x square minus 2x plus 7. Find the value of a. They have given one expression and they said 2 is the 0 of that polynomial. So x place లో మనం 2 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే అంట మనకి 0 వస్తుందంట. సో దీన్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని we have to find out the value of a. Fifth one, p of x is equals to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a. So this is the problem. What they said, when it is 2, p of 2, the whole expression will become 0. If it is 2, the whole expression will become 0. So let us substitute 2 in this expression. 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 7a equals to 0. 2 square means 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 minus 3 2s are 6 plus 7a equals to 0. 8 minus 6, 2. 2 is positive number here. If it goes on right hand side, negative. A is multiplying. Minus 2 by 7 is the value of A. Same way, sixth one also. If 0 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial, f of x is equals to some expression. Find the values of A and B. So in this expression, they ask us to find out two values. So if it is only one, we can easily find out. If it is two, what you have to do? See, for that they give one simple thing like 0 and 1. 0 key and 1 key. ఈ రెండు వాల్యూస్ కూడా ఆ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ zeros of the polynomial అవుతుందంట. Means f of 0 is equals to 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b 0 అవుతుందంట. అలానే f of 1 కి కూడా అవుతుందంట. అంటే 0 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసిన 1 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసిన అప్పుడు అది 0 of the polynomial అవుతుంది. First, let us substitute 0. 0 cube plus 3 into 0 square minus 3 into no. Next, plus a into 0 plus b is equals to 0. Now, 2 power 0 cube means 0. 0 into 0, 0 minus 0. 0 into a, 0. What is remain? B. So you got the value of b, right? We got the value of b. Now f of 1 అప్పుడు కూడా మనకి 0 వస్తుందంట. Let us take f of 1. 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b is equals to 0. So substitute 1. Here, instead of b, I am placing 0. Now we know the value of b, right? So 0 equals to 0. 1 cube, 1. 1 into 2, 2. 2 minus 3 plus a is equals to 0. 2 minus 3 minus 1 plus a equals to 0. 1 is a negative number. If it goes on right hand side, it will become positive. So the value of a is 1 and the value of b is 0. Understand? In the next video, I will explain the exercise 2.3 and the problems which I didn't explain in this video, you have to do in the HW. Thank you.